When to harvest eggplant really determines on the variety and what you're comfortable in the size being. This is a Black Beauty eggplant we've purchased early on this season from our garden center, Blue Mills Landscape and Garden Center here in Milwaukee area. And you can harvest these at any size. I'll go ahead and harvest this. Now the way you want to harvest it, it's got a very thick stem, so you just don't want to yank it off because you're going to damage the plant itself. You want to physically cut it off. And you know, you can come in a variety of different sizes. This is a very pretty purple eggplant. This here is more of a white and purple eggplant. There's orange eggplants and there's long pod Japanese eggplants. So it really depends on what you're looking for. This here, it's developing. This is far too early. You would want something of some size in order to get the most out of your plant. So whenever harvesting your eggplant, depends on the variety and the size you're looking for, and you want to cut it instead of yanking it off of the vine.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.